Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be diving into a topic that is making waves across YouTube and indeed across all social media. The ongoing saga involving the Carter family and recent allegations against CMR. We'll unpack the latest updates, fans' reactions, and some surprising turns, including unexpected legal choices and family responses. So stick around to hear all the details and join in the discussion. As many of you are aware, Crissy Damien Carter, known as CMR of the popular Carter family YouTube channel, was recently arrested in Florida on charges involving alleged misconduct with a minor, reportedly his stepdaughter. These charges against him are truly serious. Them classified as lewd and lascivious carry serious implications, especially as CMR has amassed a large fan base through family-centered content. His arrest came shortly after posting a Halloween video, adding shock for many long-time viewers. The situation for CMR is further complicated by a history of public controversies, including early allegations of infidelity. While Crissy has consistently shown support for CMR despite their challenges, this new charge has raised a significant backlash and divided fans, with some expressing disappointment while others show sympathy for Crissy's position. So the fans of the Carter family are expressing a range of reaction to CMR's recent arrest, which has left many disappointed and shocked. After issues involving a publicized affair with a woman named Shani, fans are now divided, with some questioning on the credibility of the allegation, while others are outraged. The current charges against CMR related to inappropriate conduct with a minor are seen as serious, and fans have noted the similarity to past controversies, wondering if Crissy will stand by him or will this lead to a permanent separation. So social media comments reflect both skepticism and support, with some fans hoping the charges aren't true and others saying that they would not support him if he is found guilty. A few fans on platforms like Instagram have criticized his actions directly, expressing sympathy for Crissy and her family during this challenging time. On YouTube, Mr. Vegas has weighed in on the scandal involving CMR of the Carter family channel. Mr. Vegas expressed disappointment with the news and questioned the impact of these allegations on CMR's family, especially his wife Crissy and their children. Mr. Vegas also highlighted the community's response, where many fans expressed sympathy for Crissy while condemning the actions allegedly taken by CMR. His commentary emphasized the responsibility of public figures, especially those with a young fan base, to uphold a certain standard of conduct. Mr. Vegas also frequently discusses accountability in the Jamaican YouTube community, focus on how personal scandals impact public perception. He noted that the emotional toll on Crissy, who had previously stood by her husband during infidelity issues, and pointed out that the case raises larger concerns about the influence of social media fame on personal decisions and behavior. But recently, after his first YouTube appearance talking about CMR, he later came back out and expressed disappointment after uncovering details related to the Carter family case. Mr. Vega strongly criticized CMR after new revelation in the case. He pointed out that CMR had previously told him that the matter involved a child who came to stay for a sleepover. However, it has been revealed that the child in question was actually from CMR's own house. As a result, Mr. Vegas called CMR a pathological liar, accusing him of consistently telling lies about the situation. Criticizing inconsistencies that emerge in the narrative, Mr. Vegas has openly shared his frustration, suggesting that revelations in the case paint a different picture he had previously believed. This has led him to question the integrity of some allegations made, adding that a layer of complexity to his previous commentary. Crissy's sister, known for occasionally addressing family matters online, expressed deep disappointment. She voiced frustration about how this development has impacted Crissy, revealing her emotional strain over these accusations and how they are affecting the family. Her comments have generated sympathy from fans, many of whom are concerned about Crissy's well-being and who are urging her to make a decision that prioritizes her children and her own safety. CMR's sister-in-law also recently stated that she believes that the accusation against him are untrue. She expressed support for CMR, indicating her trust in his character and challenging the validity of these allegations. Her stance has sparked debate amongst fans, with some agreeing while others question her perspective, given the gravity of the charges. The allegations against CMR are deeply troubling because they involve a minor, which understandably has led to public shock and criticism. While some family members are supporting him and fans are divided, the gravity of these charges suggests a need for careful and thorough legal examination rather than speculation. In situations like this, it's often best to let the justice system work while acknowledging the emotional strain that this puts on all involved, especially CMR's wife, Crissy, and their family. Many are saying that Crissy should leave CMR, but at the end of the day, she needs time to, in my view, she needs time to come to terms with all that's going on. A lot of people are saying she should come out and say something, but this is very embarrassing, and she will need time to work through all of this before she can come public. And there's a case going on at the moment, so there is not a lot she can come out and actually say about the situation. Many are also surprised by CMR's choice to use a public defender instead of hiring a private attorney. Considering his popularity on YouTube, fans have pointed out that the use of a public defender implies financial difficulties, especially since public defenders are typically appointed for those who can't afford a private representation. This has led to speculation and questions about the financial realities behind the family's public image, stirring further conversations online. The price of fame can be steep, as we can see, as public figures often lose their privacy, whether they do well or fall from grace. The scrutiny and constant spotlight can cause people to lose themselves, leading to distorted identities or behavior. Fame might amplify positive qualities, but it also magnifies flaws and mistakes. In this case, CMR's situation shows us how fame can expose personal struggles, making everything public. What do you think? Is fame worth the cost? Many fans and critics are accusing CMR of bringing more shame and emotional pain to Crissy with his actions. These reactions stem from both the recent allegations and the past controversies surrounding their relationship. After the cheating scandal and the arrest, many feel that Crissy has been put through enough unnecessary public humiliation. This is especially compounded by CMR's public handling of the affair, with the labelling it as a prank, which fans and Crissy herself have called out as even being a greater betrayal. The weight of both the infidelity and his legal troubles have left many questioning if Crissy can continue to support him without further damage to her emotional well-being. People suggest that while CMR denies the accusation, his behaviour over the past year, including publicly deflecting blame and continuing controversial actions, is only adding to the strain on his wife. So this situation has sparked online discussions about the limits of loyalty and whether Crissy should stand by him or move on for her own mental and emotional well-being. So guys, thank you for tuning in, but before I go, let's keep in mind that CMR has denied the allegations and it is important not to rush to judgment. While the accusations are serious, everyone deserves a fair process and we should be cautious when forming conclusions. Everything is not always what it seems, so let's see how the legal proceedings unfold. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment. Do you think we are jumping to conclusions too quickly? Have you already made up your mind? For or against? Let me hear your thoughts in the comment. Don't forget to like, to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. See you in the next one. One love.